Finding the right Midi pad controller can feel overwhelming, especially when you just want to create music without any hassle. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Akai MPK Mini MK3. The Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3 is a compact and powerful MIDI keyboard controller that caught my attention right away. Priced at $99, it's packed with features that cater to music producers and beat makers alike. If you want a portable solution for music production, this is worth a serious look. This controller includes 25 mini velocity-sensitive keys and 8 backlit drum pads that respond to your touch, which means you can create beats and melodies without any lag. The 4-way thumbstick for pitch and modulation control gives you dynamic sound manipulation, enhancing your creative flow. Plus, it's USB-powered, which makes it super convenient for on-go setups. With over 1,500 sounds included, you're ready to jump straight into producing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can start making music right out of the box without needing extra gear. Now, some people complained about the mini keys being a bit cramped for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a portable option and you're already used to smaller keys, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic controller that delivers solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who travels often and needs a compact solution. Skip this one if you're a professional pianist looking for full-size keys. At $99, it offers great value for money considering what you get. Now, if the size of the MPK Mini MK3's keys doesn't work for you, the next one on my list might actually be a better fit for your needs.
Product number 2. Akai MPK Mini MK3 Black. The Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3 in black, available for $88.99. It boasts a sleek design and the same impressive features as the previous model. If aesthetics and functionality matter to you, this is worth considering. Just like its counterpart, this controller has 25 velocity-sensitive keys and 8 backlit drum pads. The built-in arpeggiator and the option to customize your setup means you can create music in your own unique way. The inclusion of Native Control Standard (NKS) integration allows for seamless control over your virtual instruments, which is ideal for serious producers. Here's why this matters. Having that integration helps streamline your workflow and lets you focus on creativity rather than tech hassles. However, some users have mentioned issues with the software not being as intuitive. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the robust capabilities of this controller can really shine. It might just take a little patience. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, compact MIDI controller that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup without the bells and whistles. At under $90, it's excellent value given its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners looking for a more user-friendly experience.
Product number 3. Akai MPK Mini IV. The Akai Professional MPK Mini IV is priced at $99 and brings some exciting updates to the table. What caught my attention here is the full-color screen and advanced features that enhance your production experience. If you're looking for a next-gen controller, this is worth a serious look. With 25 mini velocity-sensitive keys and 8 RGB backlit pads, this controller is designed for real-time control and navigation. It offers 8 assignable knobs and pre-mapped DAW integration, which can save you a ton of time when you're in the zone. The included studio instrument collection means you won't run out of sounds anytime soon, making it perfect for creative exploration. Here's why this matters for you. Having immediate access to settings and controls keeps your workflow smooth, which is crucial when inspiration strikes. One downside is that some users reported the build quality feeling a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, while it may not feel as premium as other models, it's still lightweight and portable, which is a plus for mobile musicians. This is perfect for you if you want a controller that has advanced features without being overwhelming. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional feel in your equipment. At $99, it packs a punch for what you get. Now, if you're interested in a controller specifically tailored for live performance, the next option might be right up your alley.
Product number 4. Akai APC Mini MK2. The Akai Professional APC Mini MK2 is a MIDI pad controller designed for clip launching, priced at $99. What impressed me the most is how user-friendly it is for live performances. If you're looking to enhance your live sets, this is worth a serious look. This controller features a bright 8x8 RGB pad matrix with 64 pads that provide visual feedback, perfect for triggering loops and samples in real time. It comes with 9 assignable faders for mixing control, allowing you to manage your sound seamlessly. Plus, it integrates directly with Ableton Live, which is a huge plus for anyone using that DAW. Here's why this matters. Being able to control your performance with visual feedback means you can stay focused on the music, not on the tech. However, some users have mentioned that it may not be as versatile for studio production. Here's the thing though, if your main use is live performance, this controller excels in that area and makes it easy to get creative on stage. This is perfect for you if you perform live and need a reliable controller that's easy to use. Skip this one if you primarily produce in a studio and need more keys or knobs. For $99, you're getting a solid tool for live music creation. Now, if you're looking for a more traditional pad controller, keep watching for the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Akai MPD218. We have the Akai Professional MPD218, priced at $115.85. What stands out here are the classic MPC pads that provide an authentic feel for beat making. If you want a pad controller that delivers that iconic MPC experience, this is worth a serious look. This controller features 16 thick, fat MPC pads that are perfect for triggering drums and samples. With 6 assignable knobs and a compact design, you can easily customize your workflow to fit your style. The note repeat function and full level controls let you create dynamic beats effortlessly. Here's why this matters for you. Having these expressive features allow you to capture your creativity in the moment, which is essential for any producer. Some users have pointed out that the build quality could be better. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as rugged as some pricier models, it's still a reliable option for home studios or portable setups. This is perfect for you if you want a classic beat-making experience with modern features. Skip this one if you need a full keyboard layout for melodic playing. At $115.85, it still offers good value considering the iconic feel it provides for beatmakers.
To quickly recap, we covered the Akai MPK Mini MK3, the Akai MPK Mini MK3 in black, the Akai MPK Mini IV, the Akai MPC Mini MK2, and the Akai MPD218. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Akai MPK Mini MK3 because it strikes the best balance between portability and functionality. The one to avoid is the Akai APC Mini MK2 if you're not focused on live performance, since it may feel limiting in studio scenarios.